All right, fifth grade class, welcome to science. So sometime during this week, you've gone on a nature walk and you've made some observations about nature, okay? And I said in my video on Monday, I said, please do not say, I see a rock. Be more specific, okay? So I'm going to use my observation and you're going to choose one of your own, okay? So I'm using daffodils growing in the ground, like I told you about in the video on Monday, okay? So we're going to take that observation and do three things. First, we're going to circle the system the observation belongs to, or the sphere. Does it belong with living things? Does it belong with water? Does it belong with air? Does it belong with the ground? Okay. Second, we're going to draw arrows to make connections between that system or sphere and any other systems or spheres that it's interacting with. And make as many as you can, not just one. Do the best you can. Try and figure out more interactions than just one. And then last, along each arrow, you're going to write details about what that interaction is, or you're going to write why they're interacting or how they're interacting. Okay? So you're going to go to the bottom half and you're going to see a diagram that looks like this. We have water, which is the hydrosphere. We have the sun. We have living things, which is the biosphere, air, which is the atmosphere, and earth materials, which is the geosphere. Okay, so daffodils. Daffodils are living things. So I'm going to circle living things. Okay, so now I'm going to try and think of interactions that are happening between the biosphere and the other spheres. Okay, so I know that those living things use the sun. Okay, and they use the sun to make energy. So I'm just going to write make energy. Okay, so now I'm going to say, well, living things, biosphere, they're alive, they need stuff from the hydrosphere or the water. They have to have water to be able to carry out their processes. Processes. That's what it says, processes. Okay. So now I'm going to say, well, is it really using anything from the geosphere? Let's see. I don't know. Dang it, those daffodils were growing out of the ground. The ground is the geosphere. That must be an interaction. Okay, so I'm going to draw an arrow from living things, which the living thing is a daffodil, to the earth material, which are geosphere. Okay, and the geosphere provides nutrients for that plant to grow. So I'm writing nutrients for plants to grow. Okay, so now I'm looking at air and I'm like, is there really? Or atmosphere. Is there an interaction between the biosphere and the atmosphere? Yes, there is. Okay, so I'm going to draw that arrow. And the interaction, what is it? Plants take in CO2 and expel O2, which is what we need. So they need our CO2 and we need their oxygen that they create from the CO2. So I'm just going to put CO2 arrow oxygen. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple. Okay, so you're going to do this again on page 4. You're going to pick another observation and go through this process and figure out however many interactions, or as many interactions as you can. Okay? All right. Awesome. Adios. Bye.